Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday night and tomorrow is Thanksgiving Day, and the Thanksgiving is very special for Americans. And my honey busy cooking over there. What you cooking?
Cooking macaroni.
Macaroni. Macaroni. And this the turkey,
Turkey, put that tomorrow.
and I will marinate it tonight, and all the stuff that we're going to put in the turkey and macaroni salad. And here, what is it called, honey?
That's a roaster.
Roaster?
Yes,
Roaster?
roaster. Roaster, not rooster.
That's
chicken
fine.
rooster.
Roaster.
Roaster. Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Like a mini oven.
Hello guys, and now I will make the seasoning of the turkey, and this is my first time making it. And I have here garlic, black pepper, and it's like a garlic herbs because we don't use salt, and butter, lemon. So it's like garlic and lemon flavor. So guys, let's start. And now just mix all the ingredients together and mix it very well. Mix. And now I put it all around the turkey and I inject it so the meat will be tasty. And that's it. I inject a lot of garlic and lemon because I want that turkey to be tasty and crispy. So let's find out later.
Family and friends, today we're doing the turkey for Thanksgiving. We have some all wheat dressing that we put in there, or stuffing, whatever you want to call it. I mixed it already with onions and celery and broth, butter,
Chicken broth.
butter, and Italian sausage, which makes it taste good. Now I'm going to stuff the turkey a little bit.
That's my favorite part.
Stuffing the turkey.
Putting in there.
Now you want to put it in there?
Mm.
You want to stuff the turkey, honey?
I mean, push it with the hand.
Okay, now. The spoon's good.
If you can use spoon, just use spoon.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And she already put the garlic and butter on.
We marinated last night with
Marinated
garlic,
last night.
garlic and lemon.
Lemon and butter.
I think, honey, we need to inject more butter in that one.
Okay, get the injector. Inject more butter.
the food of Thanksgiving, their traditional food with apple pie, potato with what is this? Gravy. And of course, hindi
Turkey.
mawawala ang turkey. Special is turkey
And
and
dressing.
pecan pie and cranberry and this bread. This all is their American tradition, Thanksgiving traditional.
Oh, and
The whole thing. Okay, let's pray first before anything else.
yeah. Oh. Alright, what do you want, leg?
Yeah, always like. Who will cut? Me?
You cut.
Look at the
I get a muffin and get some butter on it.
look at the legs, guys. This is my favorite in turkey. The
Ow, it's hot.
ooh, it's so big. Ah!
Get over.
I don't know this. And what is yours?
And what else is mine?
Chicken
Only
breast.
white meat.
Breast.
Only chicken breast. I'm a breast man.
I know. The Thanksgiving, guys, is, I don't know, for my honey is more special than Christmas.
Oh yeah. Food.
The food
All
is-
year, wait for this food.
Yeah, chicken cook. A chicken.
Get home.
Look at this is what I like. Crispy.
Yeah, nice.
Crispy skin. That's enough?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh,
Put some potatoes. Put some
it's,
dressing.
look at this. It's separating by the,
Yeah, it's soft. It's tender.
oh,
Juicy
wow.
too.
And then, oh my goodness, it's so good.
There you go.
Can I eat it?
Can't eat it and take
I
it.
mean, I can
How about
eat
dressing?
dressing.
Dressing inside.
Oh,
Inside the
you don't have a spoon for that?
No, I don't have. Get over there. Stuff's good too. Yeah, potatoes and I'm ready. Gravy.
This is the dressing. They eat it with bread, with. Oh boy, honey.
Yeah, bread.
Huh?
Okay, that's enough of that.
Yeah,
Potato.
potato?
Potato.
Yeah, I get. What's the other? What else?
Gravy after.
This enough?
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Good. Ooh, it's so good.
One more there. One more there. Okay. You contaminated my stuff.
Contaminated.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
The napkin?
No, piece of the leg here.
How can you say that?
You got dark meat there.
I use my. Look at the skin, it's so crispy.
Good.
Oh, because we use a garlic.
No way I cooked it.
Mmm. I like it, honey. It's so tasty.
Is it tasty this time?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How about the inside meat? I like it. You pour it. Last time is mine.
Yeah.
Huh?
Like, yeah.
Where's my spoon? Thanksgiving, guys, is a family gathering, but my husband relative is far away, and she has one sibling here, but fortunately cannot come. So celebrating me and my honey only.
And I don't eat. This is good. This is yummy.
The chicken so tasty, right?
Turkey?
I always saying chicken. For me, it's just like a big chicken.
A big chicken, 12-pound chicken.
Good. Cook well and marinated well.
This is good. The dressing is good. It's yummy, a lot of flavor.
You eat with potato and chicken. What is and the cranberry, honey, right?
Yeah, cranberry.
The slicer there. You use that already? This one not yet. Look at the.
You want cranberry? No.
Yeah, a little. Cutting a little small piece.
It's a nice pork. Jello.
Cranberry is like an appetizer? Huh? No?
Yeah.
You just eat it together with potato and the meat
It's
and
like a fruit. Yeah, it goes good together with the turkey.
this is what I'm saying. I like this kind of turkey. Cook well and no smell. No meat smell.
Yeah. Cook. Some gravy.
Well,
Gravy. Okay, good.
we started preparing this last night. And this morning,
Finished preparing it and cooking.
yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's a good idea that we marinate the turkey overnight. It's so tasty, the meat. And the butter and lemon juice.
Garlic.
Garlic. And the herb. You shouldn't use salt.
Oh, good.